In this video, we will talk about the best exercises to lose weight and gain muscle. Do exercises to your daily routine reduces the risk of many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and osteoporosis. Not only to maintain an ideal weight, exercises also help you manage stress and relax. There are two types of exercises for weight loss. First, the cardio exercises. Examples include the following. 1. Walking. It is one of the best exercises for losing weight, and it is easy to incorporate walking into your daily routine. Take a walk during your lunch break, take the stairs at work, or take your dog for extra walks. 2. Running. It is one of the great and quick exercises to help you lose weight, in addition to the ease of incorporating it into your weekly routine. And if there is difficulty in walking, then the outdoors. In the description box there is a manual treadmill equipped with a screen, compact folding, and portable wheels. It must be taken into account to drink water during the exercises and also breathe properly. And let's continue the exercises. 3. Cycling. It is one of the most enjoyable exercises to lose weight, and there is also a bike in the description box. 4. Swimming. It is also one of the most enjoyable exercises that can be followed to lose weight. Cardio exercises are very effective in burning calories, but they do not affect muscle mass as much as weightlifting exercises. Second, weightlifting exercises. It helps reduce calories, and resistance exercises help increase muscle strength. To gain muscle, exercises can be divided into exercises that can be done at home, such as chest, like different push-ups,
arms, triceps extension exercise with dumbbells, triceps retraction, legs, such as dumbbell squat. You can also follow a training regimen with Cochin Gymnastics to work huge muscles. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, press button at the bell to reach you all new